Ouch! Can you afford to spend thousands of dollars on a new floor? Well, now you can avoid high replacement costs and make your old wood, vinyl, and tile floors look new again. All you need is Restore-A-Floor, the revolutionary restorer in a bottle that's fast and easy to use. Restore-A-Floor forms a tough, crystal clear barrier that protects and preserves all the surfaces in your home. Floor to ceiling, old and new. No rubbing or buffing. Restore-A-Floor dries in minutes. It even fills in scratches. See this old floor? Restore-A-Floor instantly brought back the beautiful luster. What a difference! All you do is wipe it on for a super hard shine that never yellows. Restore-A-Floor is guaranteed to work like magic on your wood floor too. Now here's a piece of vinyl that's been treated with Restore-A-Floor. Let's add some red and black crayon. Restore-A-Floor dissolves even these hard to remove marks like magic. Remember, Restore-A-Floor is guaranteed. The right side of this tile was treated with Restore-A-Floor. The left side wasn't. Let's pour tomato sauce right down the middle. Now, wipe it off. Look at that stain on the untreated side of the tile. The side with Restore-A-Floor has no stain at all. Restore-A-Floor is used in offices, schools, and hospitals. Floors that take big punishment. It'll work in your home too, guaranteed. Now it's available to you exclusively through this TV offer. Don't spend thousands of dollars refinishing or replacing your floors or cabinets. Bring them back to life for a fraction of the cost. Pick up the phone and order Restore-A-Floor right now. Call the number on your screen now and order your 32-ounce bottle of Restore-A-Floor for just $19.95. That's enough to restore the floor of an average-sized kitchen 5 times. And here's a limited-time offer. Order in 10 minutes and we'll send you a 16-ounce bottle of Restore-A-Floor Super Concentrated All-Surface Cleaner, enough to make 20 quarts. This $40 value is yours free when you order. You'll also get our exclusive Guide to Floor Care. Remember, Restore-A-Floor is guaranteed to make the worn-out surfaces in your home look new again or your money back. Call the number on your screen and order now. Right now.